my birthday breakfast by request, I asked for coffee and then specifically frost donuts. I was craving the yeast glazed donuts, which is this one right here, and I'm so excited. This one is the Imperial, which has peaches and cream. That one looks like an apple fritter right there, and then this one is a bacon maple glazed donut. For lunch, we have a Sicilian chicken salad from Pagliacci's, and then Edwin cut me a half of an avocado, so I'll add that to this little salad. Probably just eat only half. This one is stuffed to the brim, so this is too much. And I'll eat the other half tomorrow. For my birthday present, Edwin handed me this Nordy's bag, and in it is a nice, I'm only laughing because I just can't. He got me this Moncler cardigan is what they call it, and it's like 2 different textures. This is like the puffy little thing, and then oh, Bronx's hair's already on this thing, and oh my gosh, his hair's everywhere. And then this is like the little sweater part, but I am going to return this. Number one, I can't believe how much this is considered a sweat. No, it's considered a cardigan, and I cannot believe how much he paid for this. So that's first. Number two, it's too big on me, and it's really not my style. And even after I put it on, Edwin was like, yeah, maybe not. So I'll try it on to show you guys, but definitely not keeping this. Okay, so this is what this cardigan looks like. It's definitely a little bit big, but it's just not, I don't know, it's just not me, and I can't justify how much this is for what it is. So it's going back, and it was a nice gesture for Edwin to surprise me, but I don't know. It's really not for me. This is gonna be my outfit for tonight's dinner, just really simple. This black bodysuit that I pretty much wear all the time. Then a pair of jeans, and then a puffer jacket, which it's May, and the fact that I'm wearing a puffer jacket is kind of crazy, but it's chilly, it's gloomy, as you guys can see right out there. It is drizzling, so this is gonna be my outfit. I come down to, oh my gosh. Oh boy, I come downstairs and this is what I see. I did not realize. Edwin must have stopped by 85. It looks like this is cheesecake. And then also maybe some type of strawberry bubble tea. What is this? Strawberry de leche. And then we also have it looks like a fruit cake in there. And then some white bread. Is this white bread? Oh, this is multi-grain toast. I wonder why he bought this one. We always get the milk bread toast, which is completely different. This would be the first time we're trying a multi-grain one, but I don't know. Interesting. Okay. While we're waiting for Edwin, I'm gonna try this strawberry de leche. I have my Invisalign on. I probably shouldn't be drinking this with that on, but oh well. It's good. It kind of tastes like strawberry ice cream. Yeah, that's what it tastes like. Hi. Guess who we picked up? We picked up Bronx and now we're home. Are you excited? What are we gonna do with your tear stains? I swear every couple of months his tear stains come back and like his paws are also changing color. And what are we gonna do, Bronx? We wipe him down literally every day, and I just don't know what it is. What do you think it is, Bronx? Yeah, I don't know either. You hungry? You hungry? Let me go see if I can get you something, okay? Just wait right there, sir. Wait right there. Let me see here. Oh, look at that. You excited? Are you excited for this one right here? Let's see. Is that what you wanted? There he goes. Off he goes. He's so cute. Where you going, buddy? Hey, you gotta eat your food. Good boy. He's a good boy. Why are your front paws so far apart? There you go. I'm gonna end my night with a Stella Rosa watermelon and then a Tillamook cheese. And then also watching Lilo and Stitch with the family.